Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Art for Kids. So we're gonna draw today, my mom.
You're gonna draw a Pongal special drawing. Are you ready?
So with that, I'll
Draw a straight line. And which it includes a triangle top of that. On the straight line into towards top. Like this. So this is a hat we're gonna draw, and from the triangle we are gonna leave little part and we're gonna draw a square or a rectangle as you wish. But to look the shape of it, we are gonna leave some little space over here. Like this. And so for a hut also we need to have a door. So now I'm gonna draw a little rectangle over here to give a door for this. Like this. And in the rectangle middle of that I'm gonna draw a little single line. Now we're gonna draw a pot for Pongal. Like this. You can use a bangle or something which is round shape. Up to half it will be a round shape, and from top it should be like a little open like this. Here we can put whatever we need the design. It depends on you. And to give a realistic, I'm keeping little sticks over here for fire purpose. Like this. And as it was a Pongal, I'm gonna draw little shape. So here I'm gonna draw a sugar cane because it is one of the important festival which we celebrate with sugar cane too. So I'm gonna add this like this. And for sugar canes, we are drawing a little oval shape.
to looks beautiful.
Yes. For sugar cane, we have a long leaves towards top. So I'm gonna give like this. Now I'm gonna decorate pot with some designs. Whatever you like, you can use whatever colors you want. Like this. I'm gonna divide a partition and I'm going to design it with different colors.
She's doing triangles to look the pot beautiful. Right?
Yes. We can add whatever designs you want, whichever it looks beautiful. You can add it. It depends on you. So I'm gonna fill it with the color designs.
Now we're using pink.
Different shapes and different colors.
And that's gonna look so beautiful.
Yes.
Use pink.
In front of the house we use rangoli, so I'm gonna put a little rangoli, small one. Like this.
If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe and comment. And thank you for watching.
Happy Pongal!